a little discussion where we said that how much are we worth per minute? 22 rupees. The 22 rupees is a very high number actually. Every English you go to the number of words per minute, they'll come to somewhere around 10 to 12 rupees. 22 is a very high number. ऐसे मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको मैं. And for the amount of people work, and every Indian works for say 30, works around 46 hours a week, and he's earning the same amount. And gynecologist works for 50 hours, 55 hours a week, 60 hours a week, and then you're earning the same amount. So isn't it very skewed number? Disparity is there for the gynecologist. So, but we agree that we all are working around, I feel we work around 75 to 80 hours a week. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. You may challenge me, but we keep working only. We keep working only. So we're at 22 and we decide that we're going to go to 32 in 1 year. You're all with me? Who are all not with me? Anyone who's not with me here? Not with me. 22 से 23 नहीं करना तो करो ना. बोलो हाथ खड़े करो. हाथ खड़े करो. जो हाथ नहीं खड़ा कर रहे फिर वहीं रह जाओगे. बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको. Done. Now I'll come to the second part of our life. Before we go to more complex things in the afternoon, how many days you have in your life left to live? Approximately. In case you go at how many days you're going to live, you have to calculate by using a particular formula. And the formula is that till how many days in your life you'll keep working like this only. When her youth, madam's youth, we'll start gradually tiring ourselves and we'll do. So I think we'll work like this till around 70 years of age. How many for 70? Till 70 your energy will be same as today. How many? 70. How many 65? So let's keep it at 70 wins. So every age is around 45 in this room. We got how many years to live in our life? How many years left?
20.
Around 25 years. In 25 years, in case we look at a life for 25 years, दिन में 12 घंटा तो आप out of 25 years, in every year, we take how many holidays? Approximately 100. There are 52 holidays, Sundays, and then there are so many festivals coming in our life and we got so many, कभी illness हो गया, कभी कुछ आ गया. So around 100 days in a year, we are not working. That makes 25 into 100. This we are not working at all. But looking at from the broader perspective, you got 25 years to work, and out of the 25 years to work, you find that we are only working for 12 hours in the day. We don't work for more than 12 hours per day. We don't work more than 12 hours per day. This makes it how many years now? 25 minus 12. So we got 12 years to work. 12 घंटे मैंने काट दिए. इसमें से you can say that every Sunday is off, every we got, and as we cross the age of say 55, 60, somebody will need a knee replacement, somebody will need a joint replacement, somebody may have a stenting. So life just carries on. So in case you look at the number, it's barely 3,000 days you have to live. How many days? 3,000 days. That's all we have in our life left. In case you are at 40, 45. So as you cross the age of 60, you start depending 65 के बाद definitely dependency factor goes very high on the people, and we have taken the age as around 65 as cutoff. So we start with the practical work. Till now what we have seen in the morning is we had some theory, and then we had a bit of understanding about semenology. Now what we'll do is, step by step, we'll pick up every part of our working and then go into details. So as we move on, we have agreed that we'll work very hard. From starting now, we'll work very hard till tomorrow evening, 7 o'clock. Pick up new skills and try to apply them to your